Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Alcatel 1B. So first, check the cable and charger for any damage and the compatibility with your phone. Then, right here on your phone is the charging port. Just clean it with a non-metallic tools. Use the soft brush, the compressed air, but don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the port. Also, you can test with another fast charger or an outlet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.